Wow, London looks so beautiful with such beautiful, strong building structures.
But do you know a very significant event, the Great Fire of London, is the reason why these buildings are the way they are?
Oh dear, that sounds scary. What is the Great Fire of London?
Hello, Mason and Clara. I know you are curious to know about the Great Fire of London. Well, let's time travel then, and take you back to 1666 to find out. Welcome to Pudding Lane, London, 1666.
Wow, this is so different. Pudding Lane sounds so delicious.
Is this where the Great Fire of London started?
Yes, Mason. It all started in the early morning at Thomas Farriner's bakery on Pudding Lane. The oven was left burning, and sparks flew onto the wooden floor and walls. Because the houses were wooden and very close together, the fire spread very fast.
Oh no, that must have been scary.
It was scary, Clara. Thomas Farriner and his family managed to escape through a back door just as the fire began. They ran to safety, but sadly, most of their bakery and neighborhood was destroyed.
Whew, that was close.
Yes, Mason. But the fire spread quickly because the houses were packed closely together and made of wood. People had to pull down houses to stop it from spreading and use boats along the Thames to save belongings. The fire lasted 3 days, destroying thousands of homes. Luckily, only a few people lost their lives. London was rebuilt with wider streets and brick houses to prevent future fires.
Oh wow, I'm feeling so inspired by the people of London.
Yes, I agree with you, Mason. Despite of the hardships they faced, they worked as a team, rebuilt, and came back stronger than ever.
Let's recap some facts we learned about the Great Fire of London today. 1. It started in Thomas Farriner's bakery on Pudding Lane. 2. The fire lasted 3 days. 3rd. Most of London's houses were made of wood and very close together. 4. People had to work together to stop the fire. 5. London was rebuilt with brick houses and wider streets.
Now here's a challenge for all of you. Imagine you're in London in 1666. Can you draw your own version of the city during the fire, or even write a short story about how people worked together?
Thanks for taking us back in time, Tink. History teaches us about courage, teamwork, and learning from challenges. Mason and I are off to modern-day Pudding Street.
That's a brilliant idea. See you later. Thanks for learning with Tink. Keep exploring, keep learning, and stay curious.